Welcome to the new main library at Goodwood. As soon as you walk through the doors, the first thing you're going to see is the concierge desk. If you have questions or need directions, just stop here. This is the circulation area. It's open, and if you need to check out a book, drop a book off, or pick up a hold, or even sign up for a library card, you can do it right here. Directly across from the circulation area is our teen scene, our teen room. And teens, we designed this area with you in mind. You can enjoy hanging out with your friends, reading books, or even playing the latest video games in our teen zone. Welcome to the totally cool, totally colorful children's area. What makes this space so cool? Well, it's got loads of bean bags, activity areas, computers, lots of space to read and create. There's also a dividable storytime room, and it's bright and colorful too. One of the bigger, brighter features of this area is this stained glass window right behind me. The name of the piece is Coming Home, and it depicts purple martins swarming as they return home. It was donated to the main library and is designed by John Emerson. It was crafted in Steve Wilson's studio. Okay, so this library is huge. How do you get around? We've got 3 public access elevators to get you up and down on the first and second floors. Here on the second floor, we have lots of spaces and resources for adults, including the computer area that you see right behind me. All of our library branches are equipped with resources like free Wi-Fi and free access to printers. The main library is no different. Print your document and even visit the Resource Center right behind me. There are several peaceful places in the new main library featuring outlets for your laptop and views like this. The new main library at Goodwood is a great place to spend a few hours, do some research, or read a good book. We have a few.